According to the latest dietary guidelines, the recommendation is 2 to 3 servings of dairy per day if you're an adult, and it varies for kids depending on their ages. If you skip that important meal of breakfast, it's often hard to catch up getting the proper nutrition through the rest of the day because most people generally don't include that with other meals. Hi, my name is Cheryl Hayner, and I'm here to talk to you about some healthy ideas that are tasty, easy, healthy, and affordable. I want to teach you things that I love to do because I hope these ideas will jumpstart your day, because if you don't have a healthy breakfast, it's not as easy to concentrate and do the tasks that we all need to do. I'm a busy parent too, so I understand how getting the backpacks together and everybody out the door in a timely way can sometimes be difficult. But these ideas are super easy, and I hope they'll become your family favorites. So let's get started. The first one I want to show you today is a simple Swiss muesli, and it starts with a base of rolled oats. Now there are many ways to do this. If you go online, and you'll see that there's a variety of things that people add, but basically it starts with rolled oats. And so I'm going to take and put in this airtight jar 4 cups of rolled oats. And when I make breakfast, I like to encourage people to include at least 3 food groups, because if you do that, then you'll get off to a healthy start. So there's 1 cup, and 4. And the idea here is that you have a bulk amount that's ready to go, and then you can just take a small amount when you're ready to have this for breakfast. So we've got our rolled oats added. Then this is where people vary on what they like to add next. I love walnuts and almonds, so I'm adding 1/4 cup of almonds, and I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. And then I also like to add raisins, so here's 1/2 cup of golden raisins, which are our favorite. And then you can add some brown sugar if you want. I've got 2 tablespoons here because I've got a large container. Stir that up well. And then I'm going to take as my breakfast serving amount 1/4 cup. Now most mueslis will have grated apple with it. So I already pre-grated my apple. And when I grate the apple, I always include the skin because that gives you even more fiber. So I'm adding this freshly grated apple. And then 1/2 cup of milk. And it could be yogurt too if you'd prefer. Stir that up well. And that's really all there is to it. Now you let this sit for either 5 minutes or up to overnight, depending on how soft you like your muesli. I prefer it after 5 minutes because I still like the oats to have some texture to them. But again, it's your choice. But as you can see, this is a quick and easy meal to prepare. And if you've done it overnight, you can put it in a to-go cup, which makes, again, a very easy meal. The next one is this easy waffle face. Super fun for all of us. Just take a whole wheat waffle or whole grain and then add a couple tablespoons of nut butter. I prefer almond butter because it's a good source of calcium, and I also like the flavor of the almond butter. So you spread your almond butter or nut butter on your toasted whole wheat waffle, and then here comes the fun part. You're going to make a face, and I've chosen fresh blueberries and then some strawberries for the mouth. But you can use any fruit you want. You could put banana slices on there. You could put grapes, you could use dried fruit too. So this is a quick, easy breakfast, and you can offer 1 or 2 to your kids to get their day going. The third one we're going to do today is a yogurt parfait. And this one also is one that can be assembled the night before. This calls for 3 main food groups: the dairy group with the yogurt, grains represented by the granola, and then choosing your fruit based on the time of year. The one I'm going to do today, I'm using slices of fresh orange, and that's a winter produce. In the summertime, you could also use berries, but vary it up based on what you like. So we're going to start with a layer of yogurt, and then a layer of granola, and then some of these beautiful orange slices. These really are nice at this time of year. And then just keep repeating that with yogurt and granola and fruit. And there you go, an easy breakfast parfait. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you enjoy my favorites in your house. Here's to a day fully fueled for success. Bon appetit.